Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding, fixing, and avoiding memory leaks in C.NET 8, Best Practices. Memory leaks are a common problem in software development, and C/.NET applications are not immune. While .NET's garbage collector, GC, automatically manages memory, it cannot reclaim memory that is still referenced by your application. This can lead to gradual performance degradation and, eventually, out-of-memory exception errors. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to identifying, resolving, and preventing memory leaks in your C.NET 8 applications, focusing on best practices. We'll cover common causes, diagnostic tools, and coding techniques to ensure efficient memory management. Understanding memory management in .NET. Before diving into specific leak scenarios, let's review fundamental concepts. Garbage collection, GC, the heart of .NET's memory management. The GC automatically detects and reclaims memory occupied by objects that are no longer reachable by the